If you've given up on home cooking because you just don't have the time, if your family eats expensive, unhealthy fast food more than real food, if you can't stand the effort it takes to prep and then clean countless pots and pans, all those excuses end right now. Because if you can push a button, you can make fabulous meals like this fast in one pot. Introducing the Power Quick Pot from JML, a breakthrough innovation in kitchen technology that makes preparing mouth-watering home-cooked meals easy. Now you can make a weeknight dinner your whole family will love. Make pot roast in 25 minutes that tastes like it's been cooking all day. A whole chicken in 20 minutes that's fall off the bone tender. From frozen beef and beans off the shelf to your favorite chili in just 35 minutes. You would need to buy all of these appliances and more to do what the Power Quick Pot can. One countertop appliance that pressure cooks, slow cooks, sears, sautés, boils, steams, even perfectly cooks virtually every kind of rice in minutes with just the push of a button. Easy navigation, 37 one-touch cooking functions. This is not a crock pot. It's not Grandma's old pressure cooker. Cook IQ technology calibrates time, pressure and temperature to cook any food to perfection. The 5-star reviews say it all. People love the Quick Pot. Imagine wings from frozen in 10 minutes that are tender and packed with flavour. 4 racks of ribs that are fall off the bone delicious. Creamy mashed potatoes in minutes. What's the secret? The airtight lid locks steam and flavour inside. It has nowhere to go but into your food. The automatic Keep Warm feature keeps your meals at the perfect temperature. There's even a delay feature, so you can prep before work and then set it to be ready when you get home. The cooking pot is stainless steel, so it's not only 100% chemical, PTFE and PFOA free, it's also easy to clean. Go ahead and toss it right in the dishwasher. One touch for perfectly hard-boiled eggs that slip out of their shells. Creamy, rich cheesecake in 25 minutes. Preserve your fruits and vegetables with the canning feature. There's even a preset to make healthy homemade yogurt. You can even make hot, crusty homemade bread in minutes. You could spend thousands on appliances and still not get the results you can get with the Power Quick Pot. With the Power Quick Pot, you're getting a one-pot cooking device. You can pressure cook, slow cook, sear, sauté, boil, steam. The Cook IQ technology calibrates time, pressure and temperature to cook your food to perfection with 37 one-touch cooking functions, including a keep warm and delay feature, so you can time your meal perfectly. The large 6-litre cooking pot is perfect for family meals or entertaining. The cooking pot is 100% stainless steel and dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. If you call or go online today, you'll get the 6-litre Power Quick Pot with glass lid to lock in the flavour as you cook. The measuring cup to help you create the best recipes, and the ladle for serving up your delicious creations. All for the amazing price of $129.99. But that's not all. We'll also throw in a bonus recipe guide to help get you started with mouth-watering ideas to use your new cooker. All this for only $129.99. We'll even throw in free delivery. And if you're not completely satisfied, simply send it back as part of our 30-day money-back guarantee. Call or go online now and get ready for easy, delicious cooking with the Power Quick Pot from JML.